Let's go, church. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Raise it up. Raise it up. Raise it up. We need His presence. One more time. Let's go. Beautiful. Arashila braza brood over us, Lord. Let's get pregnant with a promise from you. Can we try that again, as with all utter respect for the Spirit of God? Let's go. Oh, Lord, we need you tonight. Flow to the last person at the back, Lord. One more time, let's go. Separate your thoughts. Separate your thoughts. Let's go. You want a tangible presence today, God. We are hungry for you, God. For this generation, God, send us. Let's go, people of God. Let's agree for this generation. Separate us, God. Separate us, God. Separate us, God. Separate us, God. Go to save it, you to save it, you can. Is a house on board? Sing with me. Marikala brosuntaya, ribala kudambra shatsaria dede, rasema kariatu shelebada. We want a tangible presence of you, God. Let's touch the hem of your garment today. Rosikayata yanambra selele kuse yarabosha. Let's go. In unison, let's go. Maserere kusa, eshikelete prosundaria dedede, usana shetse. Come on, let's go. Maraka de breshetse ya. We give you glory, God. Hey. Himba moyo, omuchichi, tukwetaka, tumatukende ojolaba. One more time, feel us, oh God, feel us, oh God. Let us overflow in who you are. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, yeah. Tikula, endwa dezibona, emitima jiguma, abakoyo baom. declare it for this generation. Let's go deeper, let's go deeper. One more time. Somebody in agreement with what we are saying. It's your time to do what you want to do. One more time, Sikula. OMWOYO Wari. He's here, he's here. He's here. He's here. Mashayari Adebosa. Marikala Bose. Tupenda kusikula. Are we ready? Oh yeah, 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 Sikula. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, OMWOYO. Oh yeah, Sikula. Mr. Prosper, let's go.
Abakoyo bawumuza n'endwadde ziwona emitima giguma abakoyo bawumuza n'endwadde ziwona emitima giguma
Abakoyo bawumuza. N'endwadde ziwona. You better believe it. Emitima giguma. Hey, abakoyo bawumuza. N'endwadde ziwona. You better believe it. Emitima giguma. One more time.